Whoa, what is that? Isn't that great? Is that the Hulk?
Like many little boys his age, Gabe Rooker likes the Hulk, Bubbles, and stickers. But unlike most 4-year-olds, Gabe is battling cancer. And because of treatment, he can't celebrate his special day like other kids. So this year, his mom had an idea.
I posted it on there, and then it just kind of snowballed.
She asked for birthday cards for Gabe on Facebook, and boy, did she ever get them. Singing cards, cards with elephants, chickens, and dogs, cards from those who know him and those who don't, cards from across the country, from 48 states and around the world, from China, Australia, Italy, and the Netherlands. And today, a special delivery complete with a police escort. You see, these bikers are part of the organization Heartbeat of a Teddy Bear, and today was their second annual teddy bear run to Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital, where they dropped off hundreds of gifts. But then a detour to Lorraine and little Gabe, whose story tugged on the heartstrings of Adam Cook.
I read his story. I couldn't pass it up, so I put it out to everybody and told him we were coming to visit him and give him the best birthday he's ever had.
More than 100 people turned out to make Gabe's birthday special.
There you go, little guy.
A big thank you from a little boy and his family.
Thank you so much, guys. You have no idea how much this means to us. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much.
A birthday that little Gabe won't soon forget.